Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Okay, today we're making cinnamon rolls. These homemade cinnamon rolls are incredibly soft, fluffy, and packed with cinnamon sugar. Then finished with a rich cream cheese frosting that melts right into every swirl. Perfect for weekends, holidays, or anytime you want bakery quality cinnamon rolls at home. In this step-by-step recipe, I'll show you how to make cinnamon roll dough from scratch, properly proof the yeast, roll and shape the dough, and bake the rolls until perfectly golden and tender. The full recipe will be down below in the description box. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from Cooking with Rod. Okay, first we're going to activate the yeast. So in the bowl of the stand mixer, add the warm milk, the yeast, and the sugar. Whisk that together gently. Let that stand for 5 to 10 minutes. Until foamy. Then we're going to add our melted butter, eggs, and salt. We're going to mix that briefly with the paddle attachment until combined. Now with the mixture on low speed, we're going to add the flour gradually. Once a soft dough ball forms and begins to pull away from the sides of the bowl, now we're going to switch to the dough hook and knead it on medium-low speed for about 6 to 8 minutes until the dough is smooth, elastic, and slightly tacky, but not sticky. Then we're going to transfer the dough ball into a lightly greased bowl, turning it around to coat the dough ball so it doesn't dry out. We're going to cover with plastic wrap or a clean towel and let it rise in a warm place for an hour to an hour and a half, or until it's doubled in size. We're going to lightly grease a 9x13 baking dish. Now for the filling, in a small bowl we're going to mix the brown sugar and cinnamon. Now we're going to punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface into a 16 by 12 inch rectangle. We're going to spread the softened butter evenly over the dough. Then we're going to sprinkle the sugar and cinnamon mixture evenly over the buttered dough. Then we're going to roll the dough tightly into a log. We're going to cut the dough into 12 equal rolls. We're going to place the cut rolls into our prepared baking dish. We're going to cover with plastic and let them rise for 30 to 45 minutes until puffy. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. We're going to place our cinnamon rolls in the preheated oven until lightly golden brown and cooked through. And we're going to remove those from the oven and let them cool slightly while we prepare the frosting. Okay, so for the frosting, we're going to beat the butter and cream cheese together in a bowl until very smooth. Now we're going to add our powdered sugar, vanilla, and milk and beat until smooth and spreadable. Then we're going to pour the frosting on top of the baked rolls. And we're going to spread that out evenly with an offset spatula. Okay, we're going to serve these up while they're still warm and gooey. So there you have it. Cinnamon rolls. Enjoy! The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.